Have you ever wanted to add highlights or lowlights to your hair, but just weren't so sure if it was gonna look right on you, or you just didn't want to damage your hair with coloring or highlighting? Well, Hidden Crown's got the solution for you. With our new crown clip-ins, you can actually achieve lowlights or highlights in your hair without having to go to the salon. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, so Hidden Crown clip-ins come with 3 tracks, like so. And so to do this, you could use an entire set of crown clip-ins, or you could use just 1 or 2 side wefts. So what I'm gonna do, because I don't have very much hair volume and I only wanna add a few lowlights to my hair, I'm only going to be using 1 side weft. So I am going to show you exactly what to do. I actually have the 14-inch color number 8 here. The number 8 is a really pretty light brown, and the tone complements my blonde tone as well. And so I just want to add a little bit of low light. So I feel like the one side will be plenty. And when you go to do this, you definitely want to order a length that is about the same exact length as your hair. You don't want one shorter than your hair, and you don't want one longer than your hair. Now, if you have layers, then definitely a shorter length can work, but you might need to mix in, more wefts to make it work if you have longer layered hair. But for the most part, just stick with about the same length as your hair, and this will work out perfect for you. So let's go ahead and get started. So for me, because I'm only going to be using 1 side track, I'm going to actually be cutting them into 3 individual clips. This way I can actually get a perfect low light where I want it, and it's also because I'm only putting a few in. So if I were to put this whole track on with it connected just like so, it would be a little too much brown in one area, and I'm not wanting to add very much low light, so that's why I'm going to go ahead and customize it and cut it. So you just need regular sharp kitchen scissors to do so, and you want to make sure you're going at a vertical angle with the hair strands, so the hair strands come up, so you don't want to cut at an angle at any way, because you could lose some hair strands. I'm going to cut through the weft till it detaches. Go ahead and do this side. I don't think my scissors were very sharp, so that's very important to know, is to use very sharp scissors. And so there we have it. Now I have 3 individual clips to be able to add lowlights where I would like. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and part the top half of my hair up. I'm going much higher just so that we could actually see the dimension when my hair lays over it. So I'm going to go ahead and tease the root where I'm going to attach each clip. Alrighty, go ahead and... Now, like I said, I just wanted a little bit of a subtle result, so it's not very noticeable, but if I wanted to, I could easily go ahead and cut up the second, and we can add more. Okay, so I went ahead and cut up the second side wefts to go ahead and add some more. So I parted, and then the other one is just right below here. I went right above it. So I'm gonna actually stagger them. I'm gonna go ahead and put one right here. And then for the back center one, I'm just gonna go a little bit higher here so that it can actually show. I'm just gonna set it right over that middle one there. And so they're just little peekaboo lowlights now. And obviously I would need to tease to hide these wefts. But they're just little peekaboo lowlights. Super fun and cute, and you don't have to color your hair to do so. So the same goes for blonde. If you wanted to add highlights to your hair, you would just choose the blonde color that you would like your highlights to be. Typically you would want to stay in the same family of tones as your hair color, and the same goes for brunettes, or lowlights for the lighter haired women that want to add lowlights. Another cool thing too is that you can actually do this with your hidden crown extensions. You could use the crown clip-ins and add extra blonde or add extra low light to your actual hidden crown extension, especially for those that change their hair color often. So that's an option as well. And it's fun. It's always fun to have different looks and different styles, and you don't have to commit to them with hidden crown. We hope you found this video to be very helpful and it answered all your questions. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us via email at accounts@hiddencrown.com. Make sure to find us on our other social media platforms below, and check out these videos that correlate with the video you just watched.